Hello folks, so I've had a few SOS light come on probably every other day. So today I'm going to attempt to change the battery. Because I scan it, you see? SOS malfunction. And if you go up here and you scroll through, vehicle status. See, emergency car malfunction. Battery. I ordered this online. So here's the battery. I bought the wrong battery. Anyway, so let me see if I can get a look up in there. Yeah, so what you gotta do, you have to pull this back, and then you can pop this down and the battery just, it's just held in there by the door. I'm not even gonna put it back in. So let's go ahead and take this rear upper brake light off. This is just held in by clips, so you just have to pull it or pop it, but be careful because you could actually break the clips. There's two clips here, two on the other side, and there's another one in the middle. This is probably the one in the middle broke already because I pulled it off already. So there's a blue one here. Don't leave it hanging like I'm doing here, because you could break that wire. You unplug this. Let's unplug it and take it out. I'm gonna pause this. So now you get a T25 Torx and you loosen these two, one here and one here. You loosen them to those two screws. Once you loosen them, there's two clips holding here too. There's a clip here inside and there's a clip here. So you just hold it and you pop it down. Let's give it a good pop. You see the clip? Oh, that thing is up inside here. I'm gonna mix this with another video that I started doing earlier. Oh, it's difficult to see. Up inside, you can see the white module up in there, and over in the corner where you see that little indentation, that's where the battery is. So it's difficult to video this. Let me see if I can do it. So this is just really just right here. You see I'm just holding this with my hand. Let me see this. Come on. So you could just hold this and pop it down. This is holding it in there. If you pull this back, you have to get something and kind of just pry this back and pull this down. This is difficult to do with one hand. Oh, there you go. And then you just pop the battery out. So here's the battery. This is an 8-volt battery. Let's test the voltage and see what it is with the new one. I tested this before, it said 8 volts. I guess, I don't know. The production date is 16. Okay. Okay, just hold this here for me. Yeah, look at the screens where you can see the voltage. can see the temper. Okay, so I'm gonna take the voltage for the battery, and I mean, I don't really know how this works or how it's supposed to test, but I'm just gonna test it across to see. So the left and center is 0. Left and right is 8.06 volts. 8.14. That's the other one. So left and right is 6.8. Maybe that's the problem there, I don't know. This is saying 0 there, the other one was reading 8. And 6.8. So I'm not getting 8 volts with this. Maybe it needs to charge. I'm not sure. Okay, so here's the part number for the battery. I got this directly from BMW. I ordered a part before, it was the wrong battery, so make sure you order the correct one. And your module is up in the roof. When you look at both batteries, it's basically the same. The dates are different. Alright, so let's try to get this back up inside there. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Maybe not. Sorry, so now this go in. So this installed like that, where this part is down below. I'm not gonna record this because I mean this is pretty straightforward. So it's back in now. We're gonna start the car. Maybe it give me a code because it's a little bit low. I think the battery need to charge. Let's see, there we have it. Let's scan the code and see what it is. So here's the code that's present now. This is the code before. This code never came back after I cleared it. Only this code keep coming back. So I'm gonna clear this one. It says permanent, so let me see. What's the freeze frame? If there's any. 12. Nothing really in the freeze frame. Let me see if there's a live data for this. APS is sent from audio. Nothing really. Oh shucks, this actually told me where it's installed. If I used this, I would have figured out where it's installed. Look at that. It's installed in the roof. Let me erase the code, see if it goes. Okay, no fault detected. So like I said, I'll update this if the code ever come back in the description. I just wanted to show you where it's located and the battery number, the battery part number, and how you can change it. I think BMW, this is a warranty part if I'm correct. So before you go spending money, go, call your BMW dealer and see if they'll change it in warranty. I say all systems okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you know, any question, post it in the, we can post it, and yeah, if I have an answer I can give it to you. I'll try to answer as best as I can. If not, you know, the BMW community, there's a lot of people who would see the question and people will answer. So just have a discussion in the comment section. All right, take care guys.